Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing. I have a couple purchases, some friend mail, but everything is in a box. So let's get started opening it up. Let's see what we got here. This is the first box. I think this is something I ordered off Poshmark. So let's get right into it. Oh, look how nicely it's stuffed. This is from Poshmark. Oh, look at this. It's just a whole bunch of paper in this box. And it's from Coach. Look at this. Oh, look at this. I seen this. And I thought the blue was so cute. And this looks vintage. Look at the tag. This looks like vintage Coach. And look at this. It has a little zipper on it. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at the inside. Navy blue is one of my new favorites. So I think this is so cute. All right. Look at that. Let's put that over here. And then I took this out the box already. This is one item I ordered from the Pride collection. I just don't know what I want other than this Nolita. I thought the Nolita was a good price, so I ordered this. Look at this. It's so cute. So this hooks on here. The brown I think is cute because it matches with a lot of different Coach stuff. Has Coach here. I know my nails kind of look a little horrible. I love the purple zipper. Here's the little Coach tag in the multicolor. And then here's the bottom, about 2 inches. Let's see. This is the inside. It has like that brown Coach color. Oh, it's so cute. I love the Nolita 15s. This is a Nolita 15. So, and then what's this? I got some scissors. This little pull tab. Is a red. I'm not sure if they're all the same color, but that's red. And I love how they have Coach on the little gold pieces. So that's that. That's cute. I'll save this little pad. Okay. And then this is from Hey Lady. Hey Lady. Thank you so much. I won this in her giveaway. And I'm sorry for the delay in opening this. But your girl been busy. Your girl been busy. And I love the little print, the little butterflies. And it's like in the Pride collection color. So what a little perfect envelope. And she's got this taped pretty good. So let me see, I might have to cut a little slit here on the side. Can you guys hear it? Oh, look at the box. I love the box. Oh, look at this. Look at the little butterflies, the peach and the pear. Which one is this called? The box veggie print corner zip with charms. Original price $122.99. Chalk multi. Oh, and then here's one of the charms that fell out. I love the C, of course, and this is the, I believe this is the strawberry or radish or peach or whatever, but this is so cute. Oh, I'm just in love with this. Okay. And then I have this package, something I ordered from Amazon. One of the things I ordered from Amazon. I'll leave the link below if I can find this Amazon package. I'm pretty sure they still have it. They had it in a bunch of colors, and I decided to get the pink. Isn't the pink pearl color so pretty? It's like a cosmetic bag, and I like it because it's narrow, and this is, you can put like a little key thing on the side. Let's see, let's get in here. Oh, look at the little heart. Oh, and it's a double zip. Look at that. Look at the little hearts on it. Oh, it's nice and roomy too. And it has a strap. And it's like the patent leather. It has a zipper right here. And this is kind of just to here. Oh, I think it's so cool. It's cute. Oh, you guys see my little must-have sign? Isn't that cute? Oh, that's so cute. And then I have another package, and it's from our friend, our great friend, Dazzle Me 77. Look at the purple. Look at the decorations. Oh, what do they call these? Horse. All right, let's get into the package. Stop playing around. Stop playing around. Get into the package. Oh my goodness, I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much for the friend mail. Or as Dazzle Me 77 puts it, the happy mail. Definitely gonna make you happy and put, oh, am I opening this right? You know, your girl. Uh-oh. Let's see. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. How'd your girl open it? Oh, she got it. Okay, hold on. Oh, look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, look. Ooh. Oh, I need one of these in my life, and I love high shoes. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh, look at her penmanship. This girl got some good riding. Look at this. Oh, look at this, you guys. Dazzle Me 77 here on YouTube. Ooh, lavender cotton. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. I love purple. Oh, look at this, Stargazer. Oh, this is cute. Oh, nice. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at the pen. Ah! Oh, I love that. Adorable. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at this. Oh, my God. Thank you, girl. Oh, my goodness. I got to get my fan. I'm sweating over here. This is so nice. Okay, let's open it. Stop playing around. Oh, look at this. And I was just watching her video, which I'll post below. And I was just thinking, oh, I'm going to have to go to TJ Maxx and get some. Oh, look at this. Oh, sorry. Got the mirror right there. Oh, my goodness. Look at those colors. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, this is awesomeness. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh, I'm going to have to put on some makeup. You girls have to put on some. Oh, yeah. And I love this. I love Dove. Oh, this is so nice. Yes. Oh, purple. Oh, Stargazer. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that, you guys. Oh, nice. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I love these. Oh, my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh, these are by Ellen Tracy, the 3-piece. Oh, my goodness. I love these so much. Oh, my goodness. Thank you guys so much. I'm so humbly grateful. So thank you guys so much. And I just reached 500 subscribers, which is awesomeness. Oh my goodness, look at all of this, you guys. I'm just so blessed. I'm so fortunate. And thank you so much, everybody. Hey Lady and Dazzle Me 77. And thank you all my YouTube friends for tuning in to my shenanigans on YouTube. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. I'm about to eat me some of this candy. I ain't playing around with y'all. I'm not for play. I'm about to get into this. Oh my goodness! Yes! Oh my goodness. This is so awesome. Your girl gonna have to get her little pocket fan because this got me so excited. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Oh, look at this. Look. Oh my goodness, you guys. I just wanted to show y'all all of my my gifts here, and I'm just really so grateful. But I did mention in the video Happy Mail. I think it was Flyboo who mentioned Happy Mail. And yeah, look at this. Look how beautiful all of this stuff is. I'm just so humbly grateful. So thank you guys so much. Hey Lady and Dazzle Me 77. It's my birthday month, so I'm so excited. Look at my birthday stuff coming in. Look at my birthday stuff coming in. You know, I got to go because I got to go and play around with all my new stuff. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Deuces! Ah! Thank you guys. Oh, let me just take a peek at the card. You know, I mean, look at her penmanship. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, look at the purple pen. Girl, she too much. She play around too much. She play around. Oh, look. Thank you. Thank you, girl. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'll let y'all read it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. All right. Peace out. See y'all in another video.